Brooks Life Hub here. Today I want to just go on a run with you. I'm doing this in my neighborhood. So if you want to watch and stay, I'm gonna give you the insight, the benefits of running, moving every day. So as you run, I'm gonna teach you how to organize thoughts in your run, because you don't have to do that randomly. We just talked about how this helps your mind relax, you know. So it's something you need to do strategically. You have a lot of things in your mind, you need to just think about them as you walk, as you move, as you run. So you train your body and your mind, and you commit to something. You say, I run whether I feel like it or not. I do what I do whether I feel like it or not. I go to work every day whether I feel like it or not. I do what I do every single day whether I feel like it or not. It's proof that I keep my word. That's what you feed. You need to feed your mind. You need to tell your mind that every step is a proof that you keep your own word. You don't have to change that in your mind. This is going to help your mind adapt it to something you always want to do. It is going to help your mind to commit to something that you want to do on a daily basis. You tell yourself that. So talk to yourself, talk to your mind, talk to your body. You say that discipline beats motivation. Discipline beats motivation. I run whether I feel like it or not. I work whether I feel like it or not. I wake up every morning to do something I like, or that keeps me going, whether I feel like it or not. You just have to tell your body and your mind and your soul something like that. You are training your mind to adapt to the life you want to live. You are feeding your mind something positive that is going to happen in your life when you keep up with what you want to do. And again, talk to your mind. And you say, every step is proof that I keep my word. Whatever you do, whatever step you get to, it has to be proof that you keep your word. Nothing has to change that, because you have worked for it, you have worked towards it, and then it is going to happen. So such words must be the words you need to feed your mind every single time, every day. When you're running, exercising, walking, something like that. Nothing has to change that. And as you say this, as you speak these words, you have to teach them, your children too. They need to know this at younger age. They actually need to know this more, because they still have many days ahead. They will struggle. They will face difficulty. they will face challenges. So you train them to keep going on. You train them not to quit. You train them that no matter what comes their way, they have to keep going. And they will go with it. Something else you need to say when you're running. Like I said, you are focused and your mind is just eating what you're just feeding it. Your mind is receiving. So when you run, you need to say, you need to tell your brain that pain is information. It's not a command. This is going to help your brain. Whenever it feels pain, when you run a little bit, when you study, most beginners just feel like they can quit immediately. They just feel like, wow, it is so difficult. So they have to tell their mind that pain is only information. It is not command. Brain grabs this quickly. Your body is gonna tell you, you're tired, you can't just keep up with this exercise. You're tired. You can't just make any more steps. So your body is always tired. But your mind is in charge. Your mind is in control. So it tells you to keep moving. You don't have to stop. You don't have to stop. You don't need to listen to your body sometimes, because it is something you're gonna do for about 15 minutes, 30 minutes, depends on your ability, your age, 45 minutes. So when you make like few steps before you get further, your body is gonna discourage you. Your body is gonna show you that you can never make any more steps. So your mind is in charge now. Something else, you need to remember that your children are watching your habits. It's something very important. You started something and your kids are watching your habits. They are watching what you do every single day. So you don't need to be a quitter, because you're training them to be quitters. So if your kids are watching your habits, you don't talk about discipline. You have to demonstrate it. This run is leadership. This exercise is leadership. This walk is leadership, because somebody there is just watching what you do every single day. When you get discouraged, when you just feel like you can quit, it is gonna affect them, because they just feel much motivated because of what you do. So we have to know that our kids are watching. Brooks Life Hub here. Thank you so much. Consider subscribing to our channel so we grow together. That's what we are for. Thank you so much, everybody. See you in the next video.